chick stage, yeast hydrolysate can usually be added 2 到3 days after the chicks start feeding, with an amount usually ranging from 0.5% to 1% of the total feed. For example, when preparing 100 kilograms of chicken feed, 0.5-1 kilogram of yeast hydrolysate can be added, stirred evenly, and fed to help the chicks digest, absorb, and grow. During the chicken breeding stage, as the chicken grows, the amount of yeast hydrolysate added can be appropriately adjusted to 0.3-0.8% of the total feed. For example, in the feed for breeding chickens, 0.3-0.8 kilograms of yeast hydrolysate can be added for every 100 kilograms to promote the growth and bone development of the chickens. Egg laying stage. In order to improve egg laying performance and egg quality, the addition amount is generally 0.5-1.2% of the total feed. Taking 100 kilograms of feed for laying hens as an example, adding 0.5-1.2 kilograms of yeast hydrolysate can effectively meet the nutritional needs of laying hens, improve egg production rate and egg quality. Drinking water addition. Dissolve yeast hydrolysate in water and let the chicken drink freely. Generally, it is prepared by adding 0.2-0.5 kms of yeast hydrolysate per liter of water. This method is suitable for chicken flocks that need to quickly supplement nutrients or are in a stress state, which can enable the chickens to absorb nutrients from yeast hydrolysates more quickly. Disease recovery period. After the chicken flock recovers from illness, in order to help the chickens recover their physical strength and enhance their immunity as soon as possible, the amount of yeast hydrolysate added can be appropriately increased to 1.5-2% and used continuously for 7 to 10 days to promote the recovery and growth of the chickens. Stress period. When the chicken flock is affected by stress factors such as high temperature, cold, and transportation, the amount of yeast hydrolysate added can be increased to 1.2-1.5%. From 2 to 3 days before the stress is triggered, and continued to be used until 3 days after the stress ends to help alleviate the stress response of the chicken flock.